This video highlights some of the new and updated features of Brightspace Learning Environment 20.21.10. Brightspace Editor, drag and drop as well as copy and paste images. This feature updates the Brightspace Editor functionality as released in the rubrics, Brightspace Editor additional functionality, updated feature in September 2021, 20.21.9 and complements the Brightspace Editor, improvements, updated feature released in May 2021, 20.21.5. The drag and drop as well as the copy-paste functionality of images are now available in areas that contain no user-specific data. See release notes for full details. This feature partially implements PI items D7884, D2190, and D7968. This feature is available to all clients and is automatically enabled for all users. Brightspace Editor, email notifications for users tagged in discussion posts and threads. This feature updates the Brightspace Editor, additional functionality, updated feature released in June 2021, 20.21.6 and now adds the ability for users tagged in discussion posts and threads to receive email notifications. The new discussions, new mention in a discussion post or thread option appears in the notifications page in the Admin Tools menu. User-related notifications when the following configuration variables are turned on. d2l.tools.wysiwyg.mentions. d2l.tools.discuss.notifications. These configuration variables are turned off by default. For full information on this update, see the 20.21.10 release notes. Brightspace for Parents, mobile app. To better represent the people supporting young learners at home, the Brightspace for Parents mobile app, introduced in the September 2021 release, is now the Brightspace Parent and Guardian mobile app. This name change also extends to the name of the web application in Brightspace. This feature is available to Brightspace core clients in all regions. To enable, the Brightspace Parent and Guardian web application must be currently enabled in your school's Brightspace learning environment. Content, add print button to PDF files. This feature adds the option to print PDF file types to classic content. The print button is visible when viewing a PDF topic or the course overview as a PDF. This button will also only appear for users with compile and print content permission. No option to print PDFs was previously available. This feature is available to all clients and is automatically enabled for content users, regardless of whether the d2l.tools.documentviewers.custom PDF renderer enabled is on or off. Ensure that the user has compile and print content enabled for their role. Content, customize language terms in the new content experience. New this release, administrators can use the language management tool to override default language terms in the new content experience, including the new learner experience. This allows administrators to use terminology that is consistent with their organization, for example, using custom terms for unit, lesson, and folder. Previously, language terms in the new content experience were not customizable. This feature is available to all clients. To enable, ensure the d2l.tools.content.lessons create experience opt-in configuration variable is set to on or on, opt-in. Use the language management tool to customize language terms that appear in the new content experience. Course import, view course import history. Users can now view the history of course import attempts for courses in a specific org unit. From the Import-Export Copy tool on Course Admin, users can view the course import history page, which includes the following information for each course import attempt: the original package name, status of the import, user who created the import job, and date and timestamp for the import attempt. The content is sorted by start time, descending, by default, but clients can change this sort setting as required. After users have viewed the page, they can return to the Import-Export Copy Components landing page in Course Admin, and click View Import Log to see a more detailed log. The log opens at the endpoint for the course conversion. This feature is available to all clients. To enable, ensure that the user has the Import-Export Copy Components import content packages permission enabled for their role. This feature implements PI items D2336 and D5473. For full information on this feature, see the 20.21.10 release notes. Course Publisher, Tool Update. As of the October release, Course Publisher will be available to all clients in the admin cog without requiring D2L staff to enable it. The information banner that appears when you publish a course for the first time is being updated to include more language around possible overages incurred by creating a course. This feature is available to all clients. This functionality is automatically enabled for all clients. To see Course Publisher in Admin Tools, ensure admin users have the permission Publish courses enabled. Data Hub, added and removed columns in discussions. As part of the visibility and posting restrictions for discussions introduced in the August 2021 release, this release adds and removes several date columns from the discussion forums and discussion topics Brightspace datasets. This feature is available to Brightspace Insights and Brightspace Core clients in all regions. To enable, ensure the can access Brightspace datasets permission is granted to administrators at the org level. See the release notes for this release for more information on this update. SCORM, improved editing and new content experience. An improved editing experience for SCORM topics is available to instructors in the new content experience. With the new Create and Edit experience enabled, a new edit page for SCORM topics allows instructors to edit dates and associated grade items from the new content experience. Previously, users could not set dates or change the associated grade item. The new content experience. The d2l.tools.content.lessons create experience opt-in configuration variable must be enabled for the new SCORM editing page to be visible. This feature is available to Brightspace Core clients. To enable, ensure the new content experience is enabled, or that instructors can opt into the new content experience using the d2l.tools.content.lessons create experience opt-in configuration variable.